Are you looking for some variety in your visuals for your Facebook ads? Hey, I'm Steven from Simple, and I'm going to explain how you can use videos to recruit through Facebook. With the rise of the Stories feature, videos have become an increasingly important addition on Facebook and also on Instagram. The advantage of videos is that they will fill a smartphone screen completely, ridding the viewer of any distractions. Here's a little secret for you. 80 to 90% of candidates apply through their mobile phone. The combination of videos and stories is a key player here. Small tip: don't make your videos any longer than 15 seconds and make sure to stuff the most essential information in the first 3 seconds, because these will have to capture your viewers' attention. Which videos actually worked for you and why? Let us know in the comments.